today, and also for all the efforts of everyone. I know na sobrang yung pinagandaan itong event na ito, and this event naman is for every one of you as well, para mag-enjoy and to celebrate all your hard work here in Divertex.
Today, 4 years na kami. So just imagine that nagsimula kami, onti lang, and look at us now. Ang dami na namin kasama dito sa family ni Divertex, and we're looking forward na mas lumaki pa si company and mas marami pa kami pagsamahan na anniversary.
Ito na nga kaming second home. At hindi mo masasabi na puro work lang, very stress-free environment, napaka-friendly environment.
So yung goal namin sa Divertex, that's why we're doing the team building, is for us to really enjoy. Kasi I know naman na yung hard work ng mga call center agents, hindi siya biro. We always want yung culture na gusto namin sa Divertex is for everyone to be close, kasi not just a simple call center na, you know, papasok ka and then uuwi, and that's just it. Dito kasi what we want is everyone is more like a family. So here in the team building na ginagawa namin yearly, yun yung goal namin, para lahat ay magkaroon ng bonding moments and to relax as well.
Happy 4th year anniversary, Divertex!
Happy 4th year anniversary, Divertex!
Happy 4th anniversary, Divertex! Love you so much!
Ito yung time na nagkaroon kami ng bonding since puro work kami, and maraming salamat sa opportunity na binigay ng Boss Vince and Miss D dahil na-celebrate namin yung 4th year anniversary with the agents and family po niya.
Happy 4th anniversary, Divertex! More power and God bless!
Let's go, Musketeers! Let's go! Uy, uy! We are the Princess!
Happy 4th year anniversary, Divertex!
Thank you, Lord, for another year of Divertex. It's our 4th year na, so congratulations to every one of us. And yun nga, this celebration is for everyone. I hope that you guys enjoy.
Happy anniversary, Divertex!
This is a milestone kasi not all the business and not all the teams na nagsimula ng maliit is umaabot ng ganitong taon. You just need to believe and be patient kasi hindi lang ito yung anniversary na pagsasamahan natin. We have a long way to go. Hindi lang ito yung anniversary na masaya. Every year, magse-celebrate tayo, mas papasahin pa natin. And I hope that same faces, ayun pa rin yung kasama natin sa pagtaas natin.
Grabe, hirapan kami mag-decide who will be the
sa trabaho